everybody, my name is Marina Anchevska. I'm Macedonian and Dutch citizen, and I'm very thankful for this opportunity from the American Canadian Board for Professional Training that I can talk to you this way, in this video, to promote myself and my own business. So I'm very happy to be also a guest of the Coaching and Business Leadership event. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I used to live 17 years in Holland, where I did all my education to become a certified and accredited NLP trainer and also coach. So in the last 11 years I'm back in Macedonia, and here I have my own Center for Business Psychology. It's the only one and the first NLP accredited center in Macedonia, and I'm also working around the countries in Macedonia, Albania, Kosovo, Serbia, and also I teach in Holland and in Ireland, and now I'm discovering another opportunities, of course. What I want to say is that I'm still traveling in my own bus on developing and professional development. So I see the life like a process. So we are all driving our own bus. So maybe my next bus will go into this beautiful event where I can present all my experience and knowledge that I have about the coaching. I have a lot of personal hours trainings, like more than 10,500. I have individual and professional coaching about I don't know how many hours. I did a lot of corporate trainings, tailor-made trainings, so I'm still traveling with my bus, and I'm also happy to cooperate with the American Canadian Board and to spread my mission, and my mission is to create change. So I'm in my life process, and in that life process I'm changing, of course, and also I'm happy to share my experience and knowledge with all of you that will be on this beautiful event, and so you can make your shift in your business or professional life, so we can all create a world where we all belong somehow. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon.